What's up, YouTube? We got this Audi A7 in the shop today, and we just got done with our oil change, and I noticed that the motor mounts were bad on this thing. And I was explaining to the customer, and the customer was like, hey, could you just shoot me a quick video? And I was like, you know what? Yeah, I can just shoot you a quick video. So I'm gonna go ahead and prop the phone up, get in there in neutral, and just rev it. And I want you just to look at the engine shake every time I rev it. That's an engine that has worn motor mounts. Let me go ahead and show you. Now I know you saw the engine shake, jump up and down every time I hit the gas. That's gonna be the true fire way to know if your engine mounts are bad.